In English, we can say, we're always available. Well, to sign that, we can go like this. Okay, let's explore how to sign we always available. We, use your index finger, your dominant hand. We're going to tap once and then twice. We. If you're lefty, other side, we. Always. Here is a sign for always. Okay, that index finger once again, but we're just going to be making a big circle. Think of like a pizza platter and it's up here and we have to trace around the edge. Always. Always. From the side. Always. Other side. Front again. Always. Okay. Now don't go low and don't go small because that's a different sign. We need to be up here with always. Like a lasso, like a cowboy thing, right? We need that wide open one. If you go down here and just a little mini circle, it means alone. Like by yourself, alone. We're not alone. We're doing always. Always. Okay. Available. Here's a sign for available. Okay, now I'm right-handed with my non-dominant hand, my left hand for me. I'm going to make this hand shape, put it here, palm facing down. My dominant hand, we're going to start like this, fingers spread apart. Now bend down just your middle finger, okay? We're going to put it over top. We're going to hover. We're not going to touch. And we're going to go 1, 2. 1, 2. Available. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Okay. Let's do it all together. We have the signs. Sign with me, nice and slow. We always available. All right, let's change the pronoun. What should we use? How about you? You're always available. You. How about she? And she's over there. How about we? Well, we already have we. Let's do it again. Let's speed up. Here we go. All right. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign we always available.